Edirisa Natiti Higenyi says he was shot in the right leg by a police officer as he tried to help an old man to fill his biodata form.
Mzee asked me to help him to fill the forms. When I was filling his forms, Mzee said those people were supposed to fill his forms instead of me. So when the police officer came, said Mzee was making noise for them, the police officer started shooting. Unfortunately, I found myself down when I was shot.
Higenyi says that following his shooting, he was rushed to Mbale and later Kenya, where his right leg was amputated.
And when we went to Kenya, the specialist came. That was Kenya, that's the Tanaka Nursing Home. When we went there, specialists came. Unfortunately, they said it was too late for me. So my leg was amputated.
Following his discharge from hospital, Higenyi filed a civil suit in Mbale High Court. And in March 2020, shortly before the country went into COVID-19 lockdown, Lady Justice Susan Okalani ordered the government to compensate the victim. In her ruling, Okalani acknowledged that the shooting of the plaintiff by the police officer was unjustified. But 5 years later, Higenyi is yet to get his compensation, which was set at 168 million Ugandan shillings.
And good enough, the judgment was given in my favor in 2020, that was July 3rd. And up to date, the court ordered that I should be compensated, but up to date, I've never got even a single coin.
Higenyi says at the time he was shot, he was a promising footballer playing with Busia Fisheries, one of the top clubs in Busia district. And now his budding soccer career is over.
And since I was damaged, my career was totally disrupted, and I don't think whether I can even be seen in the sports of Uganda anywhere.
Higenyi now says he finds himself between a rock and a hard place as he has no job or income to look after his young family, while a man who lent him money to pay for legal services has now attached his home in Mawero East B village in Busia town.
The demarcation of this plot of mine, we decided, plus this shelter here, I decided to give it over to him because I had no money to pay him. In a good faith, he also accepted, he agreed. So he gave me up to July 2024, this coming month. If January clocks over, I will hand over to him his property.
But Serious Brian, a Busia-based human rights lawyer, explains why it has taken long to compensate the victim.
It's time that we reawaken the decision of court in the case of Osestrako versus Attorney General, where it was held that government, being the resource holder for the entire country, should be at the same footing when it comes to legal processes with natural persons. In modern times where we need progressive jurisprudence, there is no reason as to why government should be given an upper hand.